Okay, let's move this desk. All right, what did you bring me? Whose Cocoa Puff?
Ooh,
Is that
a dog.
your dog? Okay, let's do Cocoa Puff first. Okay?
Caribou.
So what we're going to do is you put a drop of water like this, and then I'm going to have you do one. Because I'll make a slide and you make a slide. So go ahead and put a drop of water right there. And I need my glasses.
Okay, put the dropper back in once you do your job.
Perfect. Okay. Then I'm going to give you one of these, and I'm going to take one. So all we need, and this is the hard part, is one hair. Did Cocoa Puff like getting brushed?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Let's look for a long one. Okay. So you want to take your tweezers and take one of these hairs and put it in the water. Okay, let's do another one just to make sure. See, how about that one? That's a good one. Can you see that one?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and grab it with the tweezers and put it in the water, just like you did. It's delicate. And I'm going to do the same. Cocoa Puff. Okay, so we can put this back. And then you are going to put a slide on top. So we take one slide and we just lay it right on top. Okay. So here you go. Good. Perfect. Okay. Let's do yours first, because yours looks good. Okay, I'm going to put it under here. And then I'll turn it around and let you see. Let's see where Cocoa Puff is. Oh, interesting. Is Cocoa Puff a cat or a dog?
Or a dog.
Do you have a cat?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we got some cat hair mixed in here. You got some cross-contaminated. Cocoa Puff has been canoodling with the cat.
Simba.
Really?
Simba. Take it off the couch.
Simba. Okay, so this is interesting. Okay, so you're going to look, and you, yeah, I think you can leave your glasses on. I always take them off, so it's up to you. So go ahead and look in there and tell me what you see.
I see veterinary human. Not Miss Nelly. Miss Nelly.
So Connor, let me tell you what you're seeing. So you see this strand of hair.
Huh?
Okay, it looks like this. And there's a solid line running down the middle. Do you see that underneath the microscope?
Oh yeah.
Okay, what color is around that solid line?
Oh, black.
Is it totally black or is it like a brown?
Orange.
Yeah, it is kind of orange, isn't it? So what color is your dog?
Black.
Black. Your dog is black?
Yeah. Black lab.
Now,
is it black lab or chocolate lab?
Black lab.
Now you're also seeing this hair that looks like this. Can you tell me if you see this? So it's a hair sample, and the middle part is not black and straight. It looks like little boxes. Can you tell me if you see that?
Yeah.
Guess what?
Yeah.
That's not the dog. That's the cat.
Oh, that was spooky.
You know.
Spooky.
I know. So that's cat hair mixed in with the dog hair. So can you tell me, how would cat hair be on your dog? How could that happen?
Missing out that.
Do they cuddle?
Yeah.
Do they fight?
Yeah.
Do they lay in the same spot?
Do they take the same cushion on the couch?
Yes.
So that's interesting. Ooh, we have some of Connor's hair. All right, let's see what your hair looks like. Okay, Connor, go ahead and put your one drop on the slide just like you did. Boy, you bagged this so nicely. All right, I'm gonna put this right on there.
It should be right on the top. Should be. I'm ready. You're so fast. Yeah, I didn't
Okay.
even bring my camera.
And then go ahead, remember how to do this? That goes right on top of the drop of water. I'm going to add just a little more water.
We're gonna put our emails down.
Take a peek, Connor. That's you.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to sign out of it. Alright.
So, what is interesting about your hair,
Yeah.
okay? You can see the color. What
Yeah.
color hair are you?
Brown.
Brown, okay? So it's a really pretty brown under there. Now, do you remember when your dog had this straight line down it and your cat had the boxes?
Yeah.
What's yours? What's your thing running down the middle? It's a trick question. You don't have one.
Yeah.
How come? My guess is that you're either Irish or do you have some Scandinavian in you? So it has to do with genetics. So some humans don't have this core and some do. Yep, you don't. You're like me. I don't have one either.
Well, can I pull my hair out?
So we should commit crimes because nobody can tell us who we are. So I put a camera in one of the eyepieces. You can still look through this eyepiece. And we're going to take a picture. You know, Connor, a microscope is patience. I want to get the spot that we had before because that was very cool. All right, so this is a good picture here. So this is the cat. So see
Yep.
how it's all the
That's the
boxes?
little boxes, yeah.
And this is the dog. It's a solid line.
Very cool.
Can you see, Connor? So is this what we saw before? And this is just an air bubble.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so should we look at Simba?
Simba.
Simba.
Shimmy.
All right, you remember how to do this?
Yeah.
Drop of water.
Good job, man.
Yeah. And do you think you can go in and take one hair? Ooh, look at Simba.
Right? Isn't that beautiful hair?
Yeah. And take, you can do a couple, but a couple and put it right into the water.
Carefully. The bag unzipped.
I still want to keep this. We'll keep this in the tray.
There you go. And one of those little hairs.
Got one?
Got one?
Good job, man.
Is it on there?
Is it in the water?
Is there one? I don't see one.
Here, you have a big clump right here. Let's take some from that clump.
Yeah, reach right in there.
Okay, wait. Ah, perfect. Okay, stick that right in there.
You did it.
Perfect.
Good job.
Okay, let's cover it. I'll trade. Good. All right, let's see what we got.
There you go.
Oh,
Nice.
pretty.
Beautiful.
Now, what color is, was it Simba? What color is Simba?
Orange.
What color?
Orange.
Orange. And your dog is black.
Yeah.
Hmm. All right, let's try to go closer.
These will sit down after a while.
Hmm. Hmm. I'm not getting enough light coming through. Oh, here, that's a little better. So, Connor, your pets have two types of hair. They have guard hair, which is the outside, and then they have really soft hair underneath their fur. So luckily, you brought us both,
Wow.
because in that other frame, we couldn't really see through it. Because it was the outer hair.
Right.
And so here's a good one. Of the underfur. So light can go through the underfur.
Yeah.
So those are those boxes again, which is kept. All right, you want to take a photo of that? Oh, want to see something interesting? So, remember how you had a little dust on your hair?
Yeah. Ow.
Mm-hmm. Your cat is dusty too. Not your dog, just your cat.
All right.
So you want to take a nice picture of that?
Click that round white circle there, like you did before, over on the right.
Oh, the left, you mean? Or,
No,
No,
you
you
did.
got it.
oh, he
Yeah.
did it? Okay, good.
All right,
Good
let's
job, buddy.
just
Well, that
scan
was the other one
around,
we wanted to look at.
see if there's anything else interesting.
What is that curly thing?
That's just a water bubble, believe it or not.
Oh,
Yeah,
I thought it was a hair.
I know. Ooh, this looks good.
Is that another dust?
Yep.
A lot of dust. Well,
Yeah, your cat might need a bath.
isn't that like dander though? What
Yeah,
you call
yeah,
it?
that's
it's
exactly what
dander.
it is.
Oh wow.
You want to take another picture of that, Connor? That's a good one.
Take another picture like before. How to do it?
Yeah.
There. That's really good.
That's funny.
Hmm.
How cool is this?
Yeah.
Do you do this with the other students? Do you have them bring in their cat hair? or-
Yeah, they do. So this is a 5-day lab for us. So they look at Caucasian hair, Asian hair, African American hair. They create a data table. We look at dog, cat, mouse, rat, deer, horse, and then they look at
Good.
their hair, they look at their pet's hair, and then they get a little baggie of whatever, and they have to tell me what it is. So it's a pretty big lab.
Mm.
Yep. And then they have to argue in court that they're right.
That's very cool.
Yeah.
Great.
Yes.
Well, what do you say to Mrs. Wahlund?
Thank you.
You're welcome, honey. Do you have a favorite animal?
Simba.
Simba's your favorite animal?